Divide 113 by 2. So here 113 is divided by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 3. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put decimal so that we take here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 113 divided by 2 we got 56 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.